Take a look at this ad. Would you believe I created this in just 5 minutes using AI? Companies spend 6 figures on ads that look exactly like this. But I'm about to show you how to make these for the fraction of the cost. So a few weeks ago, someone on Twitter cracked the code with something called JSON prompting in VEO3. And the internet absolutely lost its mind. Within days, creators were making professional ads that rival Super Bowl commercials from their bedroom. But here's the thing, I found an even better way to create these $100,000 quality ads without dealing with VEO3 directly. So today I'm showing you my exact method that takes just 5 minutes from start to finish. But first, let's quickly understand what everyone is talking about. JSON prompting isn't magic. It's just a more organized way to give AI very specific instructions. Instead of vague prompts, you're telling the AI exactly what camera angles, lighting, and transitions you want. The difference is night and day. Regular prompts will give you random results. JSON prompting gives you cinematic, professional quality ads like these viral examples. This stunning Apple Watch ad was created using JSON prompting. Here's another amazing example. This Tesla commercial looks like it cost $100,000 to produce, but it was created with a single prompt. And this Corona Beach party has been everywhere lately. Look at the lighting, the camera movement, and how people are dancing at the end. All is specified in the JSON prompt. I'll be linking all of these exact prompts in the description so you can use them yourself. Full credits to those creators for sharing their work with the community. They are the one who cracked the code and showed us what's possible. But writing JSON code can be intimidating if you're not technical. But what if there was an easier way to get these same incredible results? That's where this custom GPT comes in, and shout out to whoever created this because it's absolutely a game changer. I'll drop the link in the description so you can check it out too. So basically, instead of writing complex JSON code yourself, it does all the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is tell it what kind of ad you want to create. For example, give me a JSON for a Nike sneaker unboxing in a dark studio. The AI then generates the entire JSON structure perfectly formatted for VEO3. You can customize every aspect without writing a single line of code. This approach makes creating professional ad accessible to everyone, not just developers or tech experts. But now comes the really interesting part. How do we actually turn these prompts into stunning videos? That's where Arc Ads comes in, and I'm about to show you why it's my preferred platform for creating these ads. While everyone's rushing to use VEO3 through various platforms, I want to share why I personally prefer using Arc Ads for these cinematic videos. Arc Ads gives you marketing-specific features that VEO3 alone doesn't offer. For example, if you're doing TikTok Shop affiliate marketing, Arc Ads lets you create AI avatars that can actually hold and demonstrate your products without ever showing your face. You can also create consistent AI influencers with the same look across multiple videos, which is crucial for building brand recognition. I actually have a video on that feature. You can check it out if you want. I will link it right up here. Arc Ads also makes it easy to create professional B-roll footage specifically designed for product marketing. These features are specifically built for ad generations, not just playing around with AI videos. Another huge advantage, it saves me a lot of money. I don't have to hire UGC creators that charge $500 per video, and I don't need the ultra plan on VEO3 that costs $250 per month. Now, this is just my preference based on my specific needs. If you already have access to VEO3 directly, you can absolutely use that for this tutorial instead. But for marketers or media buyers, Arc Ads just makes more sense as an all-in-one platform. Let me show you exactly how to use Arc Ads to create these incredible videos. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is copy that JSON prompt that ChatGPT just generated for us, and then we're going to head over to Arc Ads and sign up for free if you don't already have an account. The sign up process is pretty straightforward. They just need some basic information from you, nothing too crazy. It really doesn't take much longer than like a minute or two. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard now. What you're going to do is just press on new projects up in the top left corner. Then you can name your project whatever you want. I'm just going to call mine room transformation for this example. Okay, so next step, you're going to press on this little icon right here and then select scene from the drop down. Now here you can actually choose your aspect ratio depending on where you're planning to post this. So if it's for YouTube, you'll want 16:9, but if you're doing this for TikTok or Instagram Reels, go with 9:16, that vertical format. Now you're going to paste that JSON prompt right into this text box here and then just hit generate. It costs 1 credit. Then press generate scene. It will take a couple of minutes to actually generate your video. And there we go. Our video is ready. Let's take a look at what we got. Wow, this actually looks pretty cool. Look at that. It's got the unboxing sequence, the Nike logo transformation, and it turns into this really nice Nike sneaker at the end. The transitions are smooth, the lighting looks awesome. I'm actually really impressed with how this turned out. If you're happy with it like I am, you can just download it using this download button right here. Pretty simple. Let me show you several examples of what's possible with this method. For our first example, I'll use this JSON prompt inspired by the Tesla ad. Look at the quality, the smooth camera movement, the professional lighting, the perfect transitions. This looks like something Tesla would actually use in their marketing. Now, let's try something completely different this time. I'll use a prompt for an Apple ad. Again, incredible quality that would normally cost thousands to produce with a professional crew. Let me show you another example. This one for a luxury Chanel perfume ad. This prompt focuses on creating that dreamy high-end feel that luxury brands use. The results speak for themselves. These ads look like they cost $100,000 to produce, but we created them in minutes using Arc Ads. Here are more examples I made. So how can you actually use these ads in your business? Let me quickly show you some practical applications based on my own experience. First, these ads are perfect for social media campaigns. The cinematic quality immediately stops people from scrolling and gets their attention. I've seen conversion rates double when brands switch from standard video to these AI-generated cinematic ads. I personally use Arc Ads to promote affiliate products on TikTok. Instead of spending hours creating product videos or paying UGC creators $500 per video, I can generate professional product showcases in minutes. For those of you running e-commerce store, these cinematic ads can dramatically improve your product listings. Imagine having Nike quality videos for every product in your store, all created without expensive equipment or production teams. And if you're an agency or a freelancer, this is a high-value service you can offer to clients. Creating these $100,000 quality ads takes less than 30 minutes once you get the hang of it, but you can charge premium rates because the results look so professional. We're really just at the beginning of what's possible with Arc Ads and VEO3 technology, but here's where it gets even more interesting. This is just one way to use Arc Ads. In my next video, I'll show you how to use it to create AI influencers and UGC content. If you want to see exactly how I'm doing that, check out the video on the screen right here. And if you have any questions about today's method or want to share your results, just drop a comment below. I read every single comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.